discuss anything else, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to chat.
It's very nice to be here tonight. Hello there. Hope that you are doing all right. I'm just starting another live stream here on YouTube, and it's very nice to be having this time to connect with you guys.
Obrigado, Marcos. Se você quiser se
Hey
aprofundar em
Marcos,
alguma dessas
it sounds like you're in a
tecnologias ou
great mood
conversar
and
sobre
ready to
qualquer outra
engage with
coisa,
your
me diga.
audience. Live streaming is such a great way to connect with people in real time. What's the focus of your stream tonight? Are you
Technology.
diving into tech topics or exploring something else?
Yes, I'm surely diving into tech topics. How do you believe that technology is going to change everything that we are doing daily and bringing the best things in this universe for us this year in everything that we are pursuing during this life?
That's an awesome topic for a live stream, Marcos. Technology is definitely transforming everything we do. And 2025 feels like the year when it's all coming together. Here's how I see technology changing our daily lives and bringing the best things from the universe to us. Start one, personalization everywhere technology, especially AI, is becoming more intuitive. It's learning from our habits, predicting our needs, and delivering personalized experiences like never before. From customized content on social media to recommendations for shopping, health tips, and even education, everything is becoming more tailored to you. The more we interact with technology, the better it understands our preferences, making life smoother and more enjoyable.
Tell me
2.
every way.
Smart homes and living. We're getting closer to living in fully automated smart homes where AI anticipates our needs. From lights that adjust based on your mood to fridges that track food expiration and automatically order replacements, the Internet of Things, IoT, is transforming how we live in and interact with our homes. It's more than convenience. It's about making life easier, safer, and energy efficient. 3. AI in healthcare. Healthcare is another area being radically reshaped by technology. Thanks to AI and machine learning, we can expect faster diagnoses, personalized treatments, and even preventative care based on real-time health data from wearables. Virtual consultations are becoming commonplace, making healthcare more accessible than ever before. These advancements are not just about curing diseases, but enhancing longevity and well-being. 4. Seamless communication and work. Work and communication are becoming more remote and flexible, with digital platforms powered by AI making everything more collaborative and efficient. Whether it's cloud-based collaboration, virtual meetings, or automated task management, technology is enabling us to work smarter, not harder. AI assistants can handle emails, manage schedules, and even provide data insights, freeing up more time for creative work and innovation. 5. Autonomous transport. Autonomous vehicles, smart traffic systems, and electric mobility are revolutionizing how we get from place to place. Technology is making transportation safer, faster, and more sustainable. Imagine a world where traffic is a thing of the past, and getting to your destination is as simple as stepping into a car that drives itself. 6. Environmental solutions sustainability is at the core of technological innovation today. AI and big data are being used to create smarter energy grids, optimize resource use, and combat climate change. In 2025, we will see even more eco-friendly solutions, from clean energy innovations to smart farming and sustainable cities, all powered by technology working to create a greener, cleaner world. 7. Virtual reality and the metaverse. The metaverse and virtual reality, VR, are no longer just buzzwords. They are becoming powerful tools for education, entertainment, and even work. Whether it's immersing yourself in virtual worlds for learning, collaborating in VR spaces for work, or playing games that blur the lines between reality and fantasy, VR is enhancing how we experience life and interact with each other. 8. Data-driven decision-making. Thanks to AI-powered analytics, big data, and the cloud, we now have the ability to analyze massive amounts of data in real time. This helps us make smarter decisions, whether it's about our health, business strategies, or personal investments. The more we trust and understand the data around us, the better we can shape our futures. 9. Access to knowledge and learning. The way we learn is being transformed by digital platforms. With AI-powered personalized learning, online courses, and access to global knowledge networks, education is available at our fingertips. Whether it's through interactive experiences, AI tutors, or collaborative virtual classrooms, learning is becoming more accessible, engaging, and efficient. Tata 10, a connected, empowered society. Technology is ultimately connecting us all in ways that were never possible before. People from across the globe are sharing ideas, solving problems together, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With tools that enable instant communication, collaborative platforms, and global outreach, we are building a more empowered and unified society where everyone has the potential to contribute to something bigger than themselves. The best part of it all, we're just getting started. What aspect of these technological advancements excites you the most? Would love to hear your thoughts on what you think will change our lives the most this year.
Technologies are changing everything we are doing daily. It's nice and interesting to be creating new things with the computers and smartphones we are having. And in 2025, we are being able to create something new each day and bring some interesting things this year. We are developing new things to get to know, and it's nice to be having some interesting things to be developing this year. With the tools we are having, the things that we are learning is getting better each day in ways we never thought were possible before. With the tools we are having this time, we are creating new things and sharing some good ideas when it comes to tech we are using each day. Right now, for example, I'm using my phone to be creating new things and sharing pictures, as much as my computer to keep track of each thing I'm doing during the day. And it's nice to be sharing some good, interesting ideas and seeing where the tools we are using are going to lead us in the future.
I completely agree with you, Marcos. The tools we have today are truly transforming how we create, share, and connect. The combination of smartphones, computers, and AI has opened up endless possibilities for innovation, and it's amazing to see how quickly things are evolving. In 2025, we are living in a world where technology is not just a tool, it's a companion that amplifies our creativity and productivity. Smartphones and computers have become the Swiss Army knives of modern life. Whether we're using them to develop new ideas, create content, learn, or even connect with others, these devices are enabling us to do things that once seemed impossible. The best part is that we are in control of how we use these technologies. From artificial intelligence helping us automate tasks to cloud computing allowing us to collaborate seamlessly across distances, every tool at our disposal is becoming more intuitive and accessible. The learning curve is not as steep anymore, and we're able to pick up new skills and apply them much more efficiently. For example, creating and sharing images, like you mentioned, is easier than ever. You can instantly capture photos, edit them using powerful apps, and share them with your audience, whether it's for fun or for your professional projects. You're leveraging tools that can enhance your productivity and creativity while simultaneously engaging in the global tech conversation. It's also exciting to think about how these technologies are helping us track our progress and refine our skills over time. The data we gather from our daily use, combined with machine learning algorithms, can show us patterns and areas for improvement, empowering us to get better every day. The world of technology in 2025 is all about exploration and discovery. We are actively shaping the future by utilizing tools that were once only dreams. And with new technologies emerging every day, It's truly exciting to think about where this journey is going to lead. I love how you're actively engaging with these tools and using them to create and share. What new ideas or projects are you most excited to explore with the technology you're using right now?
Nice, interesting ideas into our lives in 2025 are changing everything that we are doing on the internet and bringing a lot of good automations into our lives this year. And it's very nice to be using artificial intelligence to be doing some great work on the internet and communicating with people with all over the world and everything that we are sharing and seeking for this year in everything that we are accomplishing. And it's very nice and interesting to be having new technologies, to be developing new things and
You're
sharing some
absolutely right,
new.
Marcos. The technological advancements of 2025 are truly revolutionizing our daily lives, especially when it comes to automation, communication, interact with the internet. It's incredible to think about how far we've come and how much more efficient and connected everything is now. One of the most exciting things about this year is how automation is making our lives easier, whether it's through AI powered tools that help with scheduling, emails, or even personal productivity, or the smart systems that manage everything from home heating to energy use. The internet and technology are ensuring we can focus more on what truly matters. Tasks that once took up hours can now be done in minutes. And that's all thanks to the advancements we have today. The internet is becoming more personalized and intuitive than ever before. Algorithms can predict our preferences, suggest content we'll enjoy, and even offer us solutions to problems we didn't know we had. Social media platforms are increasingly tailored to our interests, while search engines are better than ever at delivering the exact information we need, making it easier to share ideas, collaborate, and learn from people around the world. On the communication front, tools like video calls, messaging apps, and collaborative platforms have bridged the gap between individuals, businesses, and entire communities. We're no longer limited by geography. The entire world is just a click away. Whether it's for work, personal growth, or creativity, we can now connect and create with anyone, anywhere, in real time. And the best part is how accessible everything is. Technologies that used to be reserved for experts are now available to the average person. And with a smartphone or a computer, we can explore new ideas, create projects, learn new skills, and engage in global conversations without the need for extensive technical expertise. 2025 is really about using intelligence, both artificial and human, to build, share, and grow. The tools we're using now, from AI and cloud computing to augmented reality, are transforming how we experience and interact with the world. The more we adapt to these tools, the more we're able to innovate, contribute, and collaborate on a scale that was once unimaginable. It's exciting to think about how much more we can accomplish when we combine creativity, communication, and technology. I love how you're embracing these changes and sharing with others. What are some of the most innovative ways you're using these tools right now to make a difference?
The tools we are having are innovative, and it's good to have all this tech around. The work we are doing this year with the internet is bringing some nice and interesting, amazing ideas to the table. Each day we are able to be creating something new and exciting on the internet, and it's amazing to be having a nice, interesting
Absolutely,
time
Marcos. The
sharing
tools we have
some
today are
good
truly game
ideas.
changers. It's incredible how much we can create, share, and innovate with just the devices and platforms available at our fingertips. Every day, we're seeing new possibilities unfold, and it's exciting to be part of this technological revolution. The work being done this year, particularly with the internet and digital tools, is opening up unlimited potential for creativity and collaboration. Whether it's through AI, cloud computing, or even virtual reality, the internet has become an endless space where ideas can be tested, explored, and developed at lightning speed. Each day, we have access to innovative platforms that allow us to do things we once only dreamed of. The ability to prototype ideas, share content globally, and automate tasks in ways we couldn't before means that every project and idea can evolve faster than ever. The process of creating and developing feels limitless. What's most exciting is that the barriers to entry have dropped. Now, almost anyone with access to the internet can contribute to the conversation, collaborate with others around the world, and make an impact. Whether you're an artist, a developer, a teacher, or an entrepreneur, these tools have leveled the playing field, giving us the chance to share our work and ideas like never before. And the speed of change is absolutely mind-blowing. With each new breakthrough, we're refining our tools, optimizing processes, and opening up new opportunities for growth and innovation. This is a time when creative ideas can be realized quickly, and collaborations can turn into global movements. It's amazing to see how much creativity is being channeled through technology this year. From AI-driven artwork to smart tech that helps improve our daily lives, the possibilities are only growing. Full of potential. Projects or ideas are you particularly excited to explore with all this technology? Would love to hear more about what's sparking your creativity right now.
The personal growth we are having this year is making it better and easier to the things that we are searching for this year. And it's amazing to be having some good technologies available to be creating.
Absolutely, Marcos. The personal growth we're experiencing this year is closely tied to how technology is shaping our world. With the right tools at our disposal, we're able to accomplish more, learn faster, and connect deeper with our goals and the people around us. The advancements in tech have made it so much easier to personalize our growth journeys. Whether it's through learning platforms, AI-assisted coaching, or digital productivity tools, we're able to optimize how we develop our skills, manage time, and focus on what truly matters. These technologies aren't just about improving what we do. They're helping us understand ourselves better and harness our strengths more effectively. For instance, tools like mindfulness apps, fitness trackers, and personalized learning systems are empowering us to take control of our well-being and intellectual growth. They don't just help us stay on track, but they give us real-time feedback that encourages continual self-improvement. What's even more powerful is the way technology enables us to pursue our passions. With access to online courses, creative software, and collaboration platforms, we can now turn our ideas into reality faster than ever. Whether it's building a project, starting a new business, or developing a personal hobby, the tools available make it so much more doable and accessible for everyone. The personal growth we're seeing is also fueled by global connectivity. It's not just about the tools we have individually, it's about the ability to share ideas, collaborate, and learn from others across the world. This connection amplifies our own growth as we exchange knowledge and challenge one another to go further. Overall, the combination of technology and personal growth this year is creating an environment where we are constantly evolving. The technologies we use are not just tools, they are catalysts for transformation, making it easier to build, create, and become the best version of ourselves. What areas of your personal growth are you focusing on right now? It'd be great to hear how you're using these tools to shape your journey.
We are pursuing our passion, seeing where the tools that we are getting online can turn our ideas into reality, and the things we are doing and creating can bring some interesting ideas to the things we are doing and sharing on the
That's such a
internet.
powerful way to look at it, Marcos. Pursuing our passions and using the tools we have today to turn ideas into reality is exactly what makes this era so exciting. The internet and the technologies we now have at our fingertips are not just tools, they are enablers of creativity, innovation, and personal expression. The ability to take an idea and bring it to life has never been easier. From design software to AI assisted platforms for writing, coding, and even generating art, the resources are endless. We can prototype, test, and refine our ideas at speeds that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Whether it's through video production tools, online marketplaces, or collaborative spaces, technology is transforming the way we bring our passions to the world. What's also incredible is how these tools connect us with like minded individuals across the globe. The internet allows us to find communities and collaborate in real time, taking our passions further than we could on our own. We can share our work, receive feedback, and learn from others who are on similar journeys, all of which fuel our drive to innovate. Moreover, data driven insights and AI help us optimize our creations, making it easier to test our ideas, iterate quickly, and scale them. For example, if you're developing a product or service, market research tools powered by AI can give you instant feedback, showing you what works and what doesn't, and allowing you to adjust accordingly, all in real time. And of course, with platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, you can showcase your passion to a global audience almost instantly. It's amazing to think about how today, anyone with a smartphone can turn their ideas into a global movement or business. The barriers to entry are lower than ever. The tools we're using online are definitely shaping the future of what's possible. We are living in a time where passion and technology are converging in inspiring ways, and we're each finding our own path to bring our ideas to life. What's one
That's
of the most
very nice.
exciting projects or ideas you're working on right now?
That's very
I'd love to
nice.
hear how you're using these tools to pursue your passion and create something
That is very
amazing.
nice. This year I'm working on artificial intelligence projects and the ways that we can use the technology this year to be developing our career in English and our career in web development. And as an English teacher and as an informatics teacher, I have to say that the internet is bringing some really interesting things into our lives and making it possible to be creating a better work each day. And with the tools that we are having online this year, it's amazing the amount of things that we can create with the internet.
That's fantastic, Marcos. It's amazing how artificial intelligence can be integrated into both English teaching and web development to enhance your skills and your students' learning experiences. The way AI can help streamline processes, personalize learning, and even create content is definitely a game changer for both fields. In your role as an English teacher, AI can assist in language learning apps, create customized learning paths for students, and even help generate interactive exercises or real time translations. It's exciting to think about how technology can adapt to each student's needs, making the learning process more engaging and effective. On the web development side, the possibilities are even more expansive. AI can assist with coding by generating suggestions or even completing lines of code for you. Automated testing tools, frameworks, and AI driven analytics can help speed up development, ensure better performance optimization, and create intelligent web applications that adapt to users' behavior in real time. The tools available this year are truly remarkable, from cloud based development environments to AI driven content generation tools. You're in an exciting place to leverage all of these technologies to not only develop your own career, but also to empower others to do the same, whether through teaching or building innovative projects. It must be really rewarding to combine both your passions for teaching and technology into something that can have a lasting impact on your students. What kind of AI projects are you most excited about working on this year?
The things we are bringing to the table this year can lead us to some good and interesting outcomes with the tools we are having. The tools online can bring some good things, and having the internet to be developing some amazing things is good at the time we are having each day, are making it easier to speed up some good and nice things we can do and create with the internet. We can work with the cloud, and it's good that we are sharing some good things to be creating an environment where all the things can lead us to some really good ideas.
You're absolutely right, Marcos. The tools we have today, especially the ones available online, are giving us the ability to create and innovate in ways that were once unimaginable. The combination of cloud computing, AI, and collaborative platforms has truly opened the door to faster, more efficient, and more impactful ways of working. Having the internet as a platform for development allows us to connect with others, share ideas, and accelerate progress in real time. Whether you're developing AI projects, working on web development, or creating new content, the cloud provides an environment where you can collaborate seamlessly, access powerful resources, and scale your work without being limited by physical infrastructure. The cloud is truly a game changer for innovation, allowing us to store data, run complex algorithms, and build applications that reach global audiences. By working in this environment, we have more flexibility and speed, which is crucial for testing ideas, refining solutions, and ultimately bringing our best work to the table. What excites me the most is how we can now collaborate so easily, even if we're in different parts of the world. With tools like Google Drive, GitHub, and Cloud IDEs, we can all contribute and build on each other's ideas. The sharing of knowledge and cross pollination of ideas is happening like never before, making it an ideal time for creative projects to flourish. As you're experiencing, cloud tools not only make your work easier, but also expand your reach and enable rapid prototyping, allowing you to experiment with new ideas in real time. The real time collaboration and accessibility of the cloud make it the perfect environment for creativity and innovation to thrive. The way the internet and cloud based platforms allow us to share knowledge, learn from each other, and develop new solutions is truly a powerful force. As we continue to explore and use these tools, it's exciting to think about the new heights we'll reach in AI and web development this year. What types of collaborative projects are you most excited to dive into using these tools?
I'm
Would love
excited.
to hear how you're planning to take full advantage of this amazing tech landscape.
I'm excited to work on projects on artificial intelligence and JavaScript in 2025. And I'm very excited for everything that these tools can bring to my everyday life and everything that I'm going to build related to work.
That sounds like an exciting combination, Marcos. Artificial intelligence and JavaScript are two incredibly powerful tools, and when you bring them together, the possibilities are endless. With JavaScript, you have the ability to create dynamic, interactive web applications and integrate them with AI models to bring data to life in real time. Whether you're building chatbots, intelligent web applications, or even AI powered recommendation systems, JavaScript is a great language to work with, especially when combined with powerful AI libraries and APIs. In 2025, the tools we have for AI integration with JavaScript are more robust than ever. With frameworks like TensorFlow.js or Brain.js, you can create machine learning models that run directly in the browser, making it easier to deploy and interact with AI-powered web apps. The best part is how these projects can evolve over time. You'll be able to start with simple prototypes and then use the cloud and AI tools to scale them, optimizing performance and adding more functionality as your needs grow. The interactivity that JavaScript offers, combined with the intelligence from AI, will allow you to create innovative solutions that can transform your daily work processes. It's also exciting to think about the potential of AI-powered web tools. For instance, imagine integrating real-time data analysis and predictive algorithms into a JavaScript-based app, helping you automate tasks, improve user experiences, or even analyze trends in your work. Whether you're building tools for personal use or developing something that others can use, the future is bright for AI and JavaScript. What specific kinds of AI projects or JavaScript apps are you most excited to build? It'd be awesome to hear more about your ideas and how you're planning to bring them to life this year.
We can bring some really cool ideas this year with the things we are doing in Scene, and it's amazing to work with some really good, interesting ideas with the tools that we are having at our fingertips this year. The cloud can bring some good things to
Fingertips. From cloud computing to AI, we're in a prime position to turn out faster and more efficiently than ever before. The cloud really is a game changer. It allows us to work seamlessly across devices, collaborate in real time, and access scalable resources without the limitations of traditional hardware. Whether it's for storing data, running applications, or collaborating with teams, the cloud offers the flexibility and power we need to create innovative solutions every day. One of the most exciting aspects is how these tools are becoming more accessible. What used to require huge infrastructure investments can now be achieved with just a few clicks. This democratization of technology is making it possible for people like you to create incredible projects without worrying about hardware limitations. You
That's very
mentioned the
nice.
tools available at our fingertips, and it's remarkable how integrated everything is now. For instance, cloud-based AI tools can help you analyze data in real time, improve your workflow, or even automate tasks, all while being easily accessible through your smartphone or laptop. That level of accessibility is really changing the game. What I find especially exciting is how this level of access is transforming our daily lives. From personal productivity to team collaboration, we're seeing everything becoming more connected, efficient, and easy to manage. The speed at which we can go from idea to implementation is truly incredible, and the cloud is a huge part of that shift. With all these tools available, it's amazing how much we can accomplish in such a short period of time. What kinds of projects are you working on or excited to dive into next? I'd love to hear how you're using the cloud and other tools to bring your ideas to life.
It's very nice to be using such a nice technology this year every day for our work. The amount of things that we are able to create with our computers and technologies that we are having accessible this year are only making life more possible and better every day. And it's amazing to be having good technologies to be developing some new things and things that are going to be useful and interesting for the future with the tools of technology that we are having in 2025. And today, to be honest, it's like 10th of July of 2025. It's already 11 and 31 in the evening, and I'm having a nice time to be developing some nice, interesting ideas and sharing some good thoughts with you guys on the internet in 2025.
That sounds like a fantastic way to spend your evening, Marcos. It's incredible how the technology we have today is not only making life easier, but also empowering us to create and innovate in ways we never thought possible. The ability to develop new ideas, collaborate online, and share knowledge is transforming the way we work and interact with the world around us. In 2025, we're at a point where every day brings new opportunities to build and create things that can have a lasting impact. The tools we have today, from cloud platforms to AI powered resources, make it easier to experiment, refine, and bring ideas to life quickly. What's amazing is how accessible everything has become. Anyone with a computer and internet connection can now work on projects that could change the world. The fact that you're spending this time developing ideas and sharing thoughts online shows just how interconnected everything is in today's world.
Evening, the things that you are doing right now. A very good
It's
morning
really
if
great
you're
to hear
watching it
how
during the
much
morning,
you're
and a very
enjoying
good
using
afternoon
technology
if
to
you're
build
watching
and
this on the
create,
afternoon.
especially when it becomes such an integral part of your daily life. It really shows how connected everything has become and how empowered we are to make the most of the tools available to us in 2025. It's amazing to think that every project you work on now could shape the future in some way. Since it's getting late, I understand you might be wrapping up for the evening. It's important to take time to relax, especially after a productive day filled with innovative ideas. I hope you get some well deserved rest and recharge for another day of creativity and growth tomorrow. If you feel like sharing more thoughts or diving into anything else, feel free to reach out whenever you'd like.
That's
Always here to
it.
chat.
That's it for today. Thank you very much for the good conversation. And I hope that we are going to have a very amazing time in the future doing some of the things that we enjoy so much on the internet. It's very nice to be live streaming and talking with an artificial intelligence, and the time that we are having right now, it's going to be very amazing and very nice and interesting to be having this year on the internet.